Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram. Let's not forget our people at YouTube. How you guys doing today on this beautiful Wednesday? Here we are on Hump Day. Hump Day. I hope and pray that you guys are well. I hope you guys are doing wonderful. Right now we having some opportunities that we might not have again. Right now, we are in the middle of a storm. If you do not know, um, the stock market crashed this year. The stock market, Bitcoin, the pandemic, the real estate's about to crash. There's a lot of things going on right now that it's very important that we take control of our life and our financial freedom. This last couple of weeks, last couple of months, I've been showing you guys an opportunity to learn a lifetime skill that you'll be able to utilize and be able to teach your children so they could learn and be able to escape the rat race. You see, even the phone agrees with me. um, so what's going on right now? Let's 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 kind of explain what's going on right now. Well, this was from a couple of weeks ago. The unemployment had reached 16 million people. From last time I heard, I think we are near 23 million people. There's also some articles that I'll share with you guys later on where banks are predicting 25 million people are going to go into foreclosure within this next 9 to 24 months. So there's something huge coming down the line, and I've been telling you guys to learn something, to learn a new skill, to figure out a way to make money from home and from anywhere you are able to do it from a cell phone, from a mobile device where there's Wi Fi. God forbid we have to go through another pandemic and another lockdown where you have to be in house for a while. One of the skills that I've been learning and been kind of attuning and getting better at is Forex. Forex is the forex exchange currency. 100% of the people do not know what it is. However, 100% of the people are in it every single day. If you bought toilet paper, if you bought sanitizers, if you're buying things at Starbucks, McDonald's, if you're buying things with credit cards, you are already operating in interactions in the forex market. Um, we just don't know it. So one of the things that we wanted to do and we are doing right now is helping our clients, our partners, and our associates get into better positions that they are. You know what I mean? One of the things that we are doing, hold on, one of the things that we are doing is that we are trying to make sure that we help you guys. You know what I mean? Forex is a $6.9 trillion a day market. That's correct. $6.9 trillion a day. Wow. Not a month, not a year, but a day. So it is energy and currency moving around the system to be able to utilize and make money. That is how big corporations, big banks, hedge funds, and Wall Streets, that's how they make money. Before this was a secret and kept from the regular common folks like us. But with technology and instrumentality and understanding and systems, we have been able to get into that market and being able to take control of our power and being able to utilize our money to create more money for itself. That's a beautiful part about having a system. It's working for you guys. And like I say, we've been trying to empower people for the last few months. For the last few months, we've been trying to figure out and encourage people to do something different, to be able to learn a new skill, to be able to cash in a percentage of this one $6.9 trillion market. And let me show you guys how you guys could do it. We have 6 to 8 figure traders in our network that are helping us with copy and paste. What does that mean? That if you could copy and paste, you could start making money from as little as $30 a day up to $200 a day. And also, you're getting paid to build your team anywhere from $500 a month to $100,000 a month. There's people in our team right now, they're already getting $10,000 a month passively income. No, that's a goal that it gives us something to strive for and go for, you know. And to be able to empower people, we want to do this something special, something that nobody else is doing. We want to be able to offer you this opportunity for you, your family, your loved ones, and also be able to get a free credit repair and restoration. Okay, courtesy to Project Alchemy for joining our team, where you're going to be able to learn a new skill from multi-million dollar networks. Okay, 6 and 8 figure traders are going to show you how to trade. They're going to give you copy and paste trades where you can make money. Then you have Project Alchemy giving you a free credit repair and restoration that's worth over $150 just for you to get you in the right direction, get you in the right track, get you in a position where you could win. You know, that's one of the hardest things is getting the opportunity and having the opportunity and the, being positioned to win. It's very hard. But if you take the opportunity and you take me up on my word and you join our team today, we will help you with your credit repair and restoration. It's not going to be some basic thing. You're going to get the premium package worth over $150 right now. You'll be able to utilize that. Okay. So 3 to 6 months from now, not only are you going to learn a new skill, but you're going to have a better credit score. You're going to be able to get funded and start a new business, be able to get loans, be able to leverage credit, be able to build portfolios. And it all starts with you investing in yourself. And I want to put my money where my mouth is that Project Alchemy, like I said, is giving you guys a free $149 credit repair and restoration. You are able to utilize this for a whole year as you're part of us in our network and you're growing with us and you're expanding with us as we move into this Forex currency and as we're expanding and growing our team in Tradera. um, for you to be able to utilize and get this credit, you guys do have to come through us. You know, not everybody in Tradera is doing this. This is a courtesy and a relationship that has been built with Project Alchemy to be able to give you this. You know, so I'm gonna show you guys a quick video of how simple it takes 90 seconds for you to join us. Okay? So I'm going to show you that real quick.